Air Clean. Air clean and cleanliness, each and every day. A challenge for any vacuum cleaner. That's why Miele has invented Air Clean 3D efficiency dust bags. How do they work? During vacuuming, a stream of air passes through the dust bag. Thanks to unique 3D technology, the bag inflates at once, and its entire volume is more effectively used than ever before to store dirt and dust. This makes Miele's Air Clean 3D efficiency dust bags especially ideal for cleaning carpets. The dust bags are designed to distribute dirt and dust evenly throughout the bag and offer protection against sharp objects so that they do not damage the dust bag. The dust bag's new soft structure is particularly permeable to air. This saves energy and is ideal for vacuum cleaners when operating at full power or at the lowest setting. At the same time, more than 99.9% of all fine dust particles are held back by the Miele Air Clean system. And the dust bag allows the passage of air more efficiently, ensuring powerful airflow. Replacing the Miele Air Clean dust bag is simple and hygienic because the dust bag self-seals on removal. Dust and bacteria are not re-released into the room, and the dust compartment remains clean. The color-coded bag collar assists in repurchasing the correct type of Air Clean dust bag for your Miele vacuum cleaner. The Miele HEPA Air Clean filter further enhances filtration. It even filters out the finest of dust particles and is ideal for allergy sufferers. As a result, the air expelled from the machine is cleaner than ambient room air. Only the regular replacement of all genuine Miele filters can guarantee that cleaning performance remains the same as the day it was purchased. The time strip indicates the right time to replace your HEPA filter. The Miele Air Clean system, effective use of entire dust bag volume, guarantees top-class efficiency and filters out more than 99.9% of dust. Miele Original for 100% performance.